Hi everyone, my name is Michael, and in about 2 to 3 minutes, let me show you what I'm looking at specifically for Ripple and Bitcoin. Okay, so right now this is Ripple, and I see that Ripple had dipped to the support right here. This is a support on the Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. This is a retracement to 0.618. So we're expecting a buy. Because we're expecting a buy, this is on a 1 hour. Price had gone back above the previous supports that was resistance, now support. So this is what I'm looking at for XRP. I'm looking to kind of buy XRP from here, from where it is right now. I'm looking to buy XRP to around 0.6, thereabout, 0.58, 0.6, around that region. And for Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin too is quite close to where we can start to buy again temporarily. Let me take this back. So Bitcoin. Okay. So for Bitcoin, this is what I would like to see for Bitcoin on the in 4-hour charts. I'd like for Bitcoin to come down to around 40,000, 41,000 thereabout, and that would be a good area for us to buy. So I want Bitcoin to come down to this zone, and then we'll buy. So that's what I see for Ripple. Ripple, I think we can get in a buy right now today, and for Bitcoin, we can wait and see if it's going to get here before buying. I wouldn't buy Bitcoin right now, but we can buy Ripple right now. Today is 10th of February, and this is 7:13 in Dallas, Texas. Thank you very much. My name is Michael.